collar itself, if you guys can see it. So the power button's on the top of it, all right? And there's different prongs you could change it, and it works with air and sound. Right now we set it up for audio, vibrate, and then the actual electrical. So we're gonna set it up right now, and you're gonna see it. We're gonna do a little test so you guys can see the three different forms that you can do. You could do audio only, it'll beep by itself, and then you could do a vibrator, and then you could do the electrical. So I put all three of them so you guys can see. You actually program it easily from the front in the memory. You hold down the power button to actually go into the module, different tone settings, and the up arrow to actually control them. So right now we just set up all three of them, and I just want you to see the three different functions by me blowing and barking it in front of it. There's a beeping sound, and there's the vibrating and beeping sound and vibrating go at the same time, and then it's followed by the electrical. Let me do it one more time. Roar, roar. And there's a beeping, and there's the electrical. So all three of them go in once, and you could do one tone or two or three. Like I said, instructions are included. Simple to install, easy to change these out in case you need to rotate them out to smaller ones. You can. Powering it off, hold down the power button, and you'll see it turn off right now. And that's it. It turns off. This is flexible, easy to change for larger dogs, larger breed dogs, and small dogs. So on this one right here, if you guys can see it, you could adjust it anywhere you want, to the front or to the right. It could go on his neck, in the front of his throat if you want, but I prefer the back, so it won't affect him any kind of thing. But if he's really barking too much, put it to the front. And he's hairy, so you're gonna have to use the larger ones. If you guys see, these are the larger ones. They give you the smaller one, and it doesn't hurt him as much because it's not grabbing too much on the collar. It's working perfect, so he's comfortable and it doesn't bother him.